In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Cash App card for Samsung Pay, and whether it's actually possible to do this. As you probably know, the Cash App card is a convenient way to use the money sitting in your Cash App balance for both online and in-store purchases. Because of this, many users want to know if the card can be verified and added to a digital wallet, specifically Samsung Pay. If you open the latest version of Samsung Pay or Samsung Wallet and already have your Samsung profile set up correctly, you can go into the menu and choose the option to Add a Payment Card. From there, Samsung gives you two ways to enter your card information. You can scan the physical Cash App card and let the app autofill the details, or you can manually type in the card number, expiration date, and security code yourself. But here's where most users run into the main problem. Even after entering all of the Cash App card details correctly, even if your Samsung account is fully verified, even if your Cash App card is activated, has balance available, and is already working on other digital wallets, Samsung Pay does not accept the card. Even when you go inside the Cash App itself, tap the three dots on your Cash Card, and check the available options, you won't see Samsung Pay anywhere. Unlike Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, Samsung Pay simply does not show any option to verify or add the Cash App card. So the big question becomes, is there any type of workaround that allows you to verify the Cash App card for Samsung Pay, or is it completely impossible as of now? As of today, the Cash App card cannot be verified for Samsung Pay at all. The reason seems to be that Cash App is not considered a traditional bank, and Samsung Pay only approves and verifies cards from financial institutions they officially recognize. Because of this, their system rejects Cash App cards automatically, even though Apple Wallet and Google Wallet accept them without any issues.
Right now, there are no confirmed workarounds that let you verify the Cash App card directly inside Samsung Pay. Some people try linking their Cash App card to PayPal and then using PayPal through Samsung Pay, but that involves third-party platforms and can't be demonstrated fully here. But if what you're trying to do is verify and add your Cash App card straight into Samsung Pay, unfortunately it is simply not possible at the moment. Unless Samsung changes their supported card list in a future update, the Cash App card will continue to be blocked.